The quiet yes of Mary at the Annunciation altered the course of human history. Spoken in humility and trust, her response opened the door for God to enter the world not with force, but through love. Mary did not fully understand the path ahead, yet she entrusted her life to God's word, allowing grace to take flesh within her. That single yes of Mary became the beginning of salvation, that fiat, proving that God's greatest works often begin with simple obedience. But friends, even today, the world continues to be changed by ordinary people who dare to say yes to God, who dare to say yes in faith, yes in service, and yes in love, allowing Christ to be born again in the lives of others through their faithful response. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear kababayans, like Mary, let your yes change the world.